What's going on, RESHOEVN8R? Jonny Bubbles back with another Shoe Care Academy video, and I am super excited for this one. You guys have been asking us for many years, when is our product gonna be inside Foot Locker? Well, today is that day, and I'm proud to introduce our new Foot Locker RESHOEVN8R exclusive starter kit coming to a Foot Locker near you. Now, I'm gonna be using this kit to clean up my favorite shoes of the year, these all white Crocs. So without further ado, let's get bubbly. Now, before we get into the cleaning, let me go ahead and unbox all the contents in this new starter kit. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up, take out the 2-ounce bottle of solution. Look at that baby right there. See, Ken, go ahead and hit me with a nice B-roll real quick. Next up is gonna be the medium brush. What I like about this brush is it says cleaning brush on it, CK, just so you know it's meant for cleaning. And it's got the RESHOEVN8R logo on it as well. And last, but definitely not least, the microfiber towel to wipe down the shoe after it's done. It's time to jump into the cleaning, guys. Now, you already know for before and after purposes, we're gonna put the left shoe aside. Now, typically, we would undo the laces and insert a shoe tree. However, there is no need for that since this is a Croc. There's no laces. And of course, I mean, they got the little gear shifter here if you want to put it in 4x4 mode. However, we don't need a shoe tree for that. The next step, guys, is to grab our bottle of solution. Now, the great thing about this 2-ounce bottle is it is travel friendly, so you can take it with you anywhere you go. Anywhere you travel, it's very convenient. You got a 2-ounce bottle, the brush, and a microfiber towel. Take it on the go. So it's just a couple small squirts, just like that. Now we're gonna start the cleaning, obviously, with the medium brush that comes in the kit. Whew. All right, this might be the best cleaning I've ever done. Guys, go ahead and check out the entire uppers. The shoe is looking really nice. Didn't take me too long. Now, there is some dirt inside of the shoe where the big toe is. CK, can you go ahead and show the inside of the shoe, please? Now, in order to get that, guys, I'm just gonna take the towel, dip it into our solution and water mixture, and just get in there real quick since the brush wasn't able to reach. All right, and that's it. I was able to clean it up just using the towel in there. But now, guys, it's time to hit up the outsole with that same medium brush. Now we're just gonna go ahead and dip it in there and get to scrubbing. There you go, guys. I am done cleaning this Croc. Go ahead and check out how amazing it came out. Let me go ahead and put it in 4x4 sport mode real quick. Pow! Woo! CK, what are your thoughts on the Croc, bro?
They look dandy, dude. I don't have a pair, but I'm sure they look great on you.
Now, they're definitely not looking dandy, but they are probably the most comfortable shoe I've ever worn. However, we are missing a little bit of giblets or gibbets. What are they called, Miguel? Gibbets? Giblets?
Gibbets.
Something like that. I don't know, but we need some custom RESHOEVN8R and Jonny Bubbles ones. If you make custom gibbets, send me a DM. But that's gonna go to wrap it up for today's video, guys. Remember, we used the brand new Foot Locker RESHOEVN8R collab starter kit, which is coming to a Foot Locker near you soon, man. I'm super excited about this. You guys have been asking about it for years. Now I'm glad that we are finally coming to stores, man. But once again, if you like today's video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. And we back. Miguel, hit me with the. There you go. There you go. I thought Chance the Rapper was in the building for a second. God damn.